Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Today I have a special drink for you. Are you struggling with constipation? Are you struggling with your bowel movement? I have solution for you. This drink will help your bowel movement smooth, as in you go for your number two very smooth. All you need to make the drink is 4 ingredients: pineapple, ginger, lemon, and sugarcane. Very easy to make. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to leave your comment and give me big thumbs up. Please do not forget to thumbs up. A lot of people watch the video and they forget to thumbs up. Thank you as you do so. Let's get started. To make the drink, you need whole pineapple, and I've washed it. It's clean. You have to wash your pineapple. After washing your pineapple, the next step is to Next ingredients is ginger. Wash and clean. With a sharp knife, I'm also going to cut into small sizes. get only the juice, I decided to use a cheesecloth. Then I added 2 lemon. I squeezed 2 lemon into the juice. Look at that. Very, very easy to make this drink. And what I love about this drink is that it doesn't just help your bowel movement, it also cleans your system. And if you have diabetes, it's a very good drink if your sugar is low. But if it's type 2 diabetes, I think you need to consult your doctor before you take the drink. But all in all, this drink, it is so yummy and it just helps your bowel movement. You can also enjoy this drink when you're having your dinner, your lunch. Oh my god, this drink, you don't want to miss it. Please try it out and let me know. Thank you so much if you've watched this video till this time, and if you've not subscribed to Continental Food and Cake TV, what are you waiting for? Hit that button, subscribe, also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.